Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Electronic Channel, this is Uncle Misha, and take a look at this box. I was actually giving a whole box of kind of old gear, old like electronic parts, just to have. I guess someone just tried to ditch them, and well, except this thing, I'll talk about it later. So I was given this box of stuff, and today we're gonna take a look what we got here and if it's any useful things. At least one thing I know is useful, but you will see it. So we have a whole bunch of things. Let's take a look what we got. Alrighty, so first of all, looks like we have a whole bunch of chips of some sort right here. Okay, for the chips, you're gonna use, I don't even know what are they, but some older chips can be way more sensitive than modern stuff. So I'm gonna use my anti-static wrist strap here. Okay. Wow, and we have a lot of things. Looks like we have some EPROMs, and these are, I don't know what these are, but they are a AMI BIOS for 386 computer, Intel circa 91. This is amazing. Yeah, what kind of... This is, looks like those are UV erasable EPROMs. This is pretty cool. Not like I really need that, but it's always cool. I always had the kind of soft spot for these. Oh my, there's a whole bunch of them right here. Look at this. Oh, here we are. Yeah, so this one is a 2732, which is 4 kilobyte from 1980. I'm not sure why would I need it. This guys goes like $1 each, but again, on eBay they go like $1 each or something, so they are not expensive at all, but still it's good to have them. Oh, having that without anything, I'm gonna plop them in here. Oh, looks like they're whole... Oh, what is this? AMI keyboard controller. What? Is this like a replacement part? This is cool. Is it like a... Yeah, it looks like a big chip, like 40 pins. This is interesting, but not I really need it. I didn't know what it's for. So more of these 2732s with different actual orientation of the main die. Wow, that's crazy. Huh, look at this, it's totally different. This is 83, so integration level higher is here, so probably the same kind of amount of memory, but because the technology process got a little bit more advanced, the die got like pretty much 2 times smaller. This is crazy. Interesting. I'm gonna just put them in here. Alright, we have a whole bunch more. I don't even want to go through each of them individually. So this is 2716. This one is 2764. This is like 8 kilobyte. Oh, this is this. What is this? SM74 LS1, and I don't even know, some kind of logic chip. Yeah, it's like Mitsubishi Electric. This probably contains something. Oh, I don't have even programmer to actually read it up. So there's 2 more. This one is Mitsubishi ones. Like this is like 2 kilobyte jobbies. Wow, this is crazy. These days this is nothing really. Alright, like let me just put them. Oh wow, this is mangled big times. Old monitor. Yeah, few more 32s. What is this? NEC 8224. Whoa, this is, I don't know what is this. What is this? Max Fax version something, some kind of BIOS or the EPROM from some kind of equipment. Wow, there is more. What is this? Another some cool looking Mitsubishi EPROM 64 8 kilobyte one. Yeah, what is this? 2732. Yeah, it's all sorts of different 4 kilobyte jobbies. And this is amazing. But most of them are EEPROM. This is crazy. Someone liked EEPROM. Actually, no, sorry, EEPROM. EUV EEPROM. Except few logic chips. Yeah, look at this. I don't know what is this, but EEPROMs are cool. And this one. This AMI BIOS, I'm gonna just put this back in here. And this guy. This is amazing. I'm not sure what they're gonna do with all this crap. This is super old, unless you're gonna repair some old gear. Ziploc. Oh. So this one, I paid $10. I'm not sure really I need that, because if you have this, I mean, yeah, you don't need this. But hey, this is just cool looking, okay? And the main thing, it's brand new. Look at this. You know what? Let's do a separate video on this one. So, yeah, we got this Micronta multi-tester, 18 ranges. Yeah. Cool. So, we're gonna make another video about this guy. Lots of crap here. Oh, wow. So here we got whole oh, look at this, more chips. What are those? Another some kind of quad voltage comparator. Silicon NPN low power 30 VC high speed switching transistor 2N4123. Whole bunch of resistors. This is some kind of Parkdale Avenue from 91. Someone paid what? 443 for this? Toaster thermal cutoff diode apparently. Whoa, this is broken probably. Oh wow, look at this capacitor. Look at this ugly capacitor. Ducati. Wow. Yeah, this is like museum piece here. Never seen this. Look like look like Soviet, like 10 microfarad 6 volt. Yeah, totally looks like a Soviet kind of capacitor. Hilarious. Oh, more capacitors, funky looking like this. These are 10 microfarad 25 volts. Look at this, active components. This doesn't exist anymore. There's some kind of, what are those? Fuses? Telephone splice connect. Well, 3-wire. Like no one needs that anymore. Oh, nice potentiometer. 500 kilo ohm pot. That's good to have. 99 cents back at the time from Radio Shack. Look at this, brand new. From like who knows when. Fuses. Good to have. These are... Oh, this one wraps around the cables like this to reduce EMI and remove some noise. That's good stuff to have. Whole bunch of ceramic capacitors, 200 volts, whole bunch of different resistors. It's good to have around 200 ohms, 4.7 kilo ohms, 2 kilo ohms. Oh, look at this capacitors. Looks like 600 VOC, 0.1 microfarad. That's not good to have. This, I'm not sure what happened here. Something get rusted. 1 kilo ohm resistor, 5% tolerance. Make it look pretty chewed up. What is this? Oh, some. What is this? MC3456P. Is this like dual timing circuit, dual version of 555? Oh, this is cool. Actually, if this is dual version of 555, this is like first ever I have, because I never had 555 on me. Like, just believe it or not. Trimming capacitor. Okay, I do not touch that pile of used components. Looks like this some kind of junk. More resistors. Alligator clip. Pretty good shape. Some kind of transistor from who knows when. Oh wow. Look at this. Pretty cool. That's a really old crap. Oh, look at this. Some film capacitors. Metal polyester capacitors. These are good stuff to have around. 0.1 microfarad. Oh, more capacitors. Some 2 of them looks like. Yeah, 0.47 microfarad. Look at this, it's pretty beefy, but big ones, I mean. More ceramic capacitors or some like GST connectors. Don't know why would you need them these days. Yeah, panel mount. Yeah, this is like this is in from old computers. More ceramic capacitors, 22 picofarad. Ooh, some beefy sweet. Ah, rusted. Oh my god, it's so old. It's rusted in the package. Wow, it's crazy. Look at this. Oh yeah, 1N for 4004 diodes. Only 2. I have like whole handful of them actually somewhere. Only those planar transistor for CR speed control. Only 1 left. Okay, what the hell is this? Crimp rings. Oh, some kind of PCB, and there's another whole PCB kind of clad. That's cool. What are these? I have some kind of meters. These are good to have around. Oh, BNC. Oh, this is cool. I like these things. This is useful around oscilloscopes and stuff. That's good to have around. Only one. Holy smokes. What do I see here? Some kind of cool potentiometer. Taiwan Alpha. How many? I don't know. There's no resistance. Okay, let's look at this. But this is like something pile of super old crap. Look at these old diodes. Look at these super old resistors. Wow, but they looks like not used. They new. These are brand new super old resistors. Holy smokes. Look at this resistor. Whoosh. Look at this resistor. Someone was a big fan of the resistors. Well, this is good to have this ceramic metal wound resistors, look, because they are, you know, probably few watts dissipation here. I'm not sure what's the dissipation here, but this is a whole bunch of resistors except few diodes. Look at this beefy stuff. Yeah, but some of them are used, some of them are new. What is this? Whoa, look at this diode, I guess. This is super old. Yeah, so yeah, I'm not gonna go into it too far because this is whole pile of there are few beefy resistors here. One fuse. Most of those are resistors, or there is some kind of few diodes. Old stuff. But that's pretty oh, this is interesting diode. What are you gonna do with all this crap? I don't know. Like it's just like I'm gonna be collecting dust. Look at this cool thing. Super old. Is it even diode? Yeah, highly likely. Nice. More resistors of what is this? Some crazy stuff again. The heck is this? Yeah, well, I don't know. These are cool. These are still useful these days. Oh, look at this. Deep switch. Mangled though. Oh, DB25 to DB9 serial converter. Could be useful around the house, maybe. Some kind of tray for something. Is this like for some kind of tape drive? Yeah, it's front panel of some kind of tape drive. Interesting. Alright. Looks like 18 pins deep switch, the deep sockets, very good to have. More diodes, 4004s, a screw, 5-pin DIN connector, interesting. Alright, so rest of them is not as cool, some RCIs, some miniature phone jacks, more fuses, little light bulbs. What the hell is this? Germanium PNP transistor. Whoa, that's rare. That's cool. This kind of splitter, telephone line splitter, European style. Yeah, how do you call it? Okay, so I think we are getting into some kind of interesting business here. Look at those things. What are those? Those are like tweak thingies. Oh yeah, this is to tweak different potentiometers. Oh, this is cool. This is really actually cool. Yeah, because those are dielectric, and if you need to tweak something which has a voltage or sensitive to electromagnetic fields, for example, like coils and inductors, this is very cool to have. This is awesome. This is probably one of the best things I got here. What's that? Ooh, this is cool too. This is to extract chips from sockets. Oh, I like that. Actually, I have one, but much less sophisticated. And we also have some kind of cool magazine. Oh, look at this. Want to see something? No, I'll show you maybe some other time. Is this like a Simpson? No, it's not what I have. Yeah, I have something similar for a second. Look at these goodies. Ho ho ho. No way. It's like old catalog. Oh, the for cassette people, look at this. Tape recorder and player maintenance kit. Tape head kit, tape splicer, splicing tape. What? It's all so cool. Oh, look at this. Ohm's calculator. It's like a... Oh my god, this is like... If you don't know Ohm's law, you can use this Ohm's calculator to calculate your voltage, resistance, or current. Data chart. What is this supplement? Oh, resistor color codes. Oh, this is so cool. Transform. Look at this. Wow, this is big. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, I'm gonna totally put this up on the wall. This is a poster. Look at that. Electronic symbols. Well, it's all like, I mean, it's still relevant, but obviously it's about most of the obsolete part. For example, these things. Yeah. Unijunction transistor. Interesting. Wow. This is amazing. Totally gonna put it up. Okay. Yeah, things you can find in old magazines. Science electronic project kit. Oh, so cool. Some kind of amplifier, I guess. Stereo amplifier. Where are transistors? 3 transistor ones. This is amazing. Oh, look at this. What is this? It's kind of bill? Suggested retail. This is crazy. Alright, this is amazing. This is kind of cool. What year is this? By the way, I'm getting all freaking out here. 50 cents catalog. What year is this? 69? 69! Whoa, this is super old. Wow. It's like time of my parents or something. No way. Okay. Double-sided electronic pad. This is cool too if it's still sticky. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, and we have some tubes. Actually, this is like first ever tubes I held since I disassembled my grandpa's old radio. Oh, this looks like used stuff. Made in Canada, by the way. I'm completely out of clue what are these. But they are indeed cool looking. It's just part of a museum probably. And you know what's cool about it? They don't care about that. Yeah, static not gonna kill. Nuclear strike not gonna kill. Oh, look at this cute baby. What is this? Oh, cute guy. Oh my god, this is like size of a transistor pretty much. Amazing. This is cute. What else do we have? This is cute too. Oh no, it's not that cute. It's a bit bigger. Made in Japan. 5GS7, whatever it is. I'm gonna learn about these guys. I'm gonna probably add another video when I can actually learn about them. Or I try to overlay this one, 6CA4. I know a little bit. Britain. Guaranteed for life. I bet this thing still works. Is this one used? Is it cracked? No. If, by the way, this silvery thing is a metal which will turn white if this stuff is broken. Yeah, 6CA4. Oh, look at this oxidation. It's not cool. What else? 4BZ6. It's like random numbers. Oh, another cute guy. Electron tube, whatever it does. Did I look at this one? Probably, right? Yes. Oh, this is a big one. 38HE7. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, get out. I don't know, probably not a good idea to shake them violently. Better to press it out. What is this? What the hell? Is this some kind of... Wow, this is something complex. 38 made in USA. 38HE7. Yeah, this has many electrodes, so I assume this guy is something a little bit more complex than your average tube, and I don't know why this is per orange inside and kind of split, but I don't know if it's operational. It's a bit dirty, so maybe not operational. Maybe it's that it's like take off from something and someone didn't want to like throw it away, just decided to like keep it. And the last one, this is something older, I think. Oh my gosh, this is so futuristic. Made in Japan. 6SK7GT. Holy smokes, look at that. And they're different, as you notice, different connectors here, so those pinouts. So yeah, they definitely connect to different sort of sockets. But again, like I have no use of these and I don't have any equipment. This is like 2 batteries, I guess. Nickel, probably metal hydrate or something. Or nickel cadmium even, or who knows what. I bet they're still alive. Who gonna bet? Well, unless this is like supercapacitors, but I don't think so. No freaking way, it still says 0.3 volts on them. Wow. This one is dead. Yeah, well, ridiculous. They probably from 93, right? Okay, well, that's pretty much it. I don't think there is anything more in... Oh, there is some kind of photography release here. You know, if you guys familiar with this. Oh, in German. Kaiser Phototechnik. Nice, made in Germany. That's looking cool. If it's made in Germany. Some kind of cables. This is old, by the way, CD-ROM to audio card cable. I remember that. Then we have this. Looks like taken from somewhere. That's it. I think the most cool thing is this magazine and those light bulbs and those EPROMs and some other things. But yeah, well guys, I'm gonna pack it up. I think this is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with all this crap. This is pretty pretty old. Gonna sort them through. Gonna throw away some things that I don't need. I probably keep these things because I'm not really sure what are they, but they certainly cool looking. I try to put video overlays overlays in the video. Try to find some more information on them. Yeah, those EEPROMs are pretty cool, but the only downside is I have no idea. I don't have programmer. I have another bunch of EEPROMs from some old times as well, so it's gonna probably go back to the pile of EUV EEPROMs, which I think they're pretty cool, because I remember when I made my first computer in I think it was 88, when I was still in school, like not even high school. I think it was just, I was younger than that. Yeah, something in that time. Like, it was Soviet-made computer based on 8086 clone, and EEPROMs. Remember, I need to program them, and I kept them on the sound for like days in order to erase. And then I went to friend of mine whose dad was working into the company, into the factory, which was doing electronic gear for military, and he was able to program me this stuff somewhere in his lab. So that was amazing. But obviously I didn't have access to programmer, because that was like, I mean, not for just for little dude like me, it was pretty much impossible to have. Luckily I got bits and pieces to assemble that computer and PCB. Yeah, so that's just all cool. So all this crap goes back in this box, and we're gonna deal with it. But nevertheless, sometimes it's cool to get a little gift like this with all crap, and reminiscing about nice and glorious days of the past. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video was, I mean, it was entertaining. I don't think it was any kind of useful, but at least it was entertaining, and we kind of looked into the history of radio electronics a little bit, especially with this magazine. Yeah, please stay tuned, subscribe, comment, like. If you know, from your past, you have a chance to play with any of these stuff, or maybe with light bulbs, not light bulbs, the tubes, you can give me some kind of ideas what are those. We'll be happy to hear, and if you have any experience with them. And yeah, so maybe you can tell me what's your favorite radio gear or gear from the past, you know, like you like gauges, for example, like these guys, which I don't have any use, but you know, or you like multimeters, or you like computers, or like chips and stuff. Yeah, please share. We'll be happy to hear from you. So guys, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care.